Hello everyone. And now I have one patient. His name is Srikant from India. Now he is suffering from the Bell's palsy. Bell's palsy mainly problem in the facial nerve. Facial nerve, that is a part of the cranial nerve. Generally, it's applied to the face. Okay, but mostly face and other nerve also gets involved, and other muscles also gets paralysis. Mainly, he is coming for the more than 2 to 3 days, and now he is feeling much better. Before first day when he came, then he was not opening his mouth properly. Now today he open your mouth. Now he is opening good, and now ask to the patient close your eyes. Now he is closing eyes slightly, but before he was no, his eyes was very open. Now it's good, and before there was a lacrimal secretion. It was coming, but now after 2 to 3 days, now he is feeling much better because I have did some acupressure here, and he is feeling better. Now I told to the patient, open your mouth and move in the right side. There is now he is doing good. Before there was a slightly movement occurs in the right sided. Due to the cold exposure, patient has given me, due to the cold exposure he have a problem in the right side of the face. Now I am giving him treatment for the exercises and muscle stimulation. I have teaches some exercise to the patient for the relief of the pain. First of all, before we start the exercises, first we see the motor point of the face. Generally we stimulate the motor point of the face. Generally we from the, if there is a lacrimal secretion, you hold here in the nostril sides and we apply more than the 30 seconds to 70 seconds stimulation by the hands, and then patient feel very relaxed. That is the main things. Second things, if there is a problem in the eyes, put your hand on the eyebrow and generally you move it like that. Okay, same like the 70 to 80 time pressure, generally we apply like that here. Next, here you come to the just side of the eyes, put your hand here and also you do like the movement, and then you feel better eye movement. Okay, slowly muscles fiber will be stimulated and feel relaxed, and the muscles power will become. Same like there are many motor points for the facial nerves. The facial nerves generally that supply to the dead full sides of the face. Generally this area there is a mostly chances of the pain of the patient, because facial nerve that comes that side and supply to the face. So here the root of the face mainly gets, there is a painful condition sometimes. So here we also do the some stimulation by the hands, pressure of stimulation. Generally we do the myofascial release also. Generally patient feel relaxed and pain get relief. That is the main things. Same things for these muscles, zygomatic major and minor muscles, mainly for the helping in the chewing food. Generally we also applied here, then feel generally slowly muscles gets power and muscle gets relaxed. Generally we do the exercise like that. There is also problem in the opening of the mouth. You see, open the patient mouth, open and hold your hand here and you do like that. In the opposite, where in the same side where there is a paralysis, because left side muscles, he have a right side facial palsy, means left side muscles is powerful and right side muscles is weak. Generally we increase the strength of the right side of the facial muscles. Generally we do like that. Slowly. Don't press too much, because there is a teeth and that hurt the patient. Slowly you can do like that. Okay. There is sometimes there is also minimum sensation here, upper lip. So generally we put your hand and do like that. This is the some point where we can do the some stimulation, and here you see in the back sides there is these muscles is the sternocleidomastoid muscles, and there is a neck pain, and this joint is known as the temporomandibular joint. Okay, temporomandible and temple, there is a bone of the temporal bones and mandibular joints. You see temporomandibular joints, here to here there is a pain. there is a stiffness. The stiffness we have treated with the ultrasounds and electrical modalities also, and by the some trigger point release techniques. Generally trigger point, generally there is a we see there is a stiffness of the muscles. We take your hand and you press like that, slowly. Then there is a release of the muscles tension. Okay, that is the main thing. We ask to the patient कि he will do the some facial massage also, because facial massage that is very helpful to relax the muscles also. They generally ask to the patient, take your hand properly and close here, slowly come down, and it's good where you have a pain, like that. Okay, you hold your hand, you see, hold your hand and go to the back side of the, okay, that side. Do 10 to 20 times and you feel very relaxed. Okay, relax. Now I am going to teach you some exercise. He will do the continuous exercise for the eyes, for the nose, for the tongues, for the cheeks, and now we feel better. We ask to the patient, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Hold it 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. One exercise he repeat more than the 10 times. Next, ask to the patient to up your eyes, up, down, up, down, up, down. 10 times. Same exercise for the 10 times. Now ask to the next exercise. Told to the patient, move your eyes fully. Okay, side to upward, downward, all the movements. Okay. Now you see my finger and you move like that. Okay, your eyes movement. That is also very good exercise for the patient. Next we come for the nasalis. Ask to the patient, hold your one nose and do the exercise like that. Take deep breath by the mouth, by the nose, not from the mouth. All the exercise for the 10 times. Okay. Next for the patient, generally for the tongue exercise. That is a very important exercise for the tongue, because there is sometimes there is a taste problem and there is a mainly problem with the tongue, because patient cannot move the tongue. Then ask to the patient, take your tongue up and touch your upper palate and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Relax. Once again. Very good. Now all the exercise for the 10 times. Now told to the patient, take your tongue on the tip and push it. Very good. Push it. Relax. 5 seconds, 6 seconds, hold it, and after that now you take your tongue, move side to side. That is the main exercise for the tongue. And also ask to the patient, okay, take the one pen, okay, it is sterilized, and take in the mouth and hold it and apply pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So now we ask to the patient, sit in front of the mirror and he do all the exercise. Open your mouth and close it. Open your mouth, close it. Now you say A, say it. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. That is the main exercise. If all the exercise is doing the patient, he will be do in the front of the camera. Close your eyes. Now he can see in the mirror. Okay. Now open your mouth. Now he can see how many deviation where it is going in the mirror. Okay. All the exercises generally we taught. All the exercises he can do. But as a physiotherapist, generally we do the for some electrical stimulations and also for the ultrasound also. Okay. Now I know that this patient have a pain from here. Okay, mainly back side of the neck. Generally we apply the eye ultrasound gel and ultrasounds. Generally we do the 5 to 6 second, 5 to 6 minutes to 10 minutes, and it depends upon the patient how much pain, how much pain they have. And now we apply for the, we are going to give more than the 6 minutes. Okay, we do here. After ultrasound, you see there is a, we are doing the ultrasounds and it is a wave effect of the, that release the stiffness. If there is any stiffness in the neck, that will be released by the ultrasound. So generally in the facial nerve palsy, ultrasound is the most effective in the, if there is a pain and stiffness in the neck joint. Okay. Now you see, after there is a patient have a 4 to 5 grade mainly of the facial palsy. So generally we apply the, generally all the mainly group of the nerve fiber, generally we stimulate by the stimulation, muscle stimulation by the galvanic current. Generally we apply the pads where there is a main muscles are involved, mainly eyes, mainly orbicularis muscles in the neck sides and in the hair also, because there is a like salivary secretion is coming from here. And after that we can change the pad from here also in the nose. Okay, and upper sides here. Okay, there is stimulations more than the 10 to 15 minutes we can do the electrical stimulation. You see the patient have a mainly pain in the neck, and there is also one here trigger point is there. For the trigger point generally we do the myofascial release, and we are also doing now recently we are doing the dry needling technique. Okay, dry needling technique that also release the trigger point. Okay, generally myofascial release technique generally we done if patient, if there is any stiffness, patient feel very relaxed. Generally we see very easy. We take the dry needling and we insert in the where there is a trigger point. Okay, okay, now that the where patient feel, generally we do here for the dry needling technique. Okay, it is not a painful, it is a very easy technique, and we hold for the 2 to 3 seconds, mainly 1 to 2 minutes, and patient feel relaxed. Okay, generally we are doing the here also because he have a pain in the neck sides. Okay, now we have did the 3 points mainly for the neck pain trigger point release, and after 2 to 3 minutes generally we remove the needle, and generally we do the by the hand myofascial release technique. Okay. Okay. Patient have a also neck pain. So how we do the trigger point release technique? You generally there are many area where there is a trigger points. Generally from the hair you see in the trapezius muscles, here there is also trigger point is there, and there is in the sternocleidomastoid muscles, here they have a trigger points. Okay, now for the releasing of the trigger point, generally we take our thumb and we press here more than the, it depends, mainly 70 to 80 time of the pressure continuously we applied in the sternocleidomastoid muscles, and patient feel very relaxed, and the muscles stiffness will be gone. Then like press it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, just like the 70-second continuously we press the on the where there is a trigger point. Okay, same like that we press here in the shoulder, in the trapezius muscles. Okay, here there is a pain, we press here. So mostly you have a pain here, here. So we do the myofascial also by the pressing, releasing. Okay, now some technique is that how you release the myofascial release technique. You mainly put the gels and slowly we do like that. Okay, that is also lymphatic drainage like that. And if there is a fiber is very densely connected, it will be loose and patient feel very good result. Okay, so that is a mainly technique of the myofascial release technique to the patient if there is any stiffness in the neck, and how to it to the patient of the facial palsy. Okay.